ओके पहले ये स्टार्ट करेगा ये दो भाई ये स्टार्ट
एमएमबी क्या है? अरे भाई ये एमएमबी क्या है? अरे आपको नहीं पता? एमएमबी का मतलब होता है माय मिस्टेक ब्लॉग। ये माय मिस्टेक ब्लॉग।
Let's start from the cell. First, we have a plant cell. We are going to tell about two cells. First, it is a plant cell and animal cell. Let's start from the plant animal cell. Let's start. Okay. Hi, Ashutosh Yadav.
I Vedant Singh.
Are going to tell you about whole animal cell. Mitochondria is often known as the powerhouse of the cell. Ribosomes are the protein builders of the cell. Lysosomes are the suicide bags of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum functions as a packaging system and provides pathway for the material within the cell. Cell membrane is the outermost covering in the animal cell and just under the cell wall in the plant cell. It protects the cell from injuries and helps us to maintain its shape. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like watery substance that fills the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Nucleus is a dense spherical shape-like structure found in the animal cell. It controls all the functions of the cell. So now we will move to the plant cell. Let's start with the plant cell. Good morning, everyone. Let's start. We start from the vacuole. Vacuole, my friend will tell. My friend will branch.
Vacuole is a large organelle that stores water, salt and other molecules.
Then comes nucleus. Nucleus is a dense-like spherical structure found in the middle of the cell. It controls all the function of the cell. Then comes mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of cell. It gets power from digested food. Then comes cell wall. Cell wall is the outermost covering layer of the cell. It is found on the cell in the plant cell. It protects the cell from injury and helps to maintain its space. Then comes cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a liquid that fills the space between nucleus and cell wall. And the difference between a plant cell and an animal cell is a plant cell has cell wall and cell membrane, but animal cell has only cell membrane. Then comes lysosome. Lysosome is called the suicide bag of the cell because it can destroy the whole cell of it is a part of. For example, when you have a harm on your hand, so the lysosome leaves its enzyme and the cell blasts. It destroys. The cell destroys. Then comes cytoplasm. It fills the substance and endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum function as packaging system. Thank you.
थैंक यू भाई, बहुत लंबा कर दिया भाई।
लंबा तो कर देंगे, अब अपलोड होगी वीडियो, ध्यान रखना।
बाय 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 बच्चों को सबको। अभी हम थोड़ी देर में आते हैं, ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे। अभी तो कल भी लगाओगे ना? कल भी रहेगा ना? कल नहीं रहेगा? कल क्या होगा? फेस्टिवल है। वेरी गुड। तो ये क्या है आपका?
It's drip irrigation. Good morning, good afternoon, sir. My name is Anab Dixit. My name is Atharu Mishra. Today we are going to explain drip irrigation. As we all know, India is an agricultural country. So agriculture is the main occupation of India. People agriculture and need an important source of irrigation and a good production. As India depends for the monsoon season for the rainfall. So found the new type of irrigation system known as drip irrigation or known as a trickle irrigation. It is a type of irrigation system that has posture to save the water and nutrition and allowing to reach the water directly to the roots, the plant minimizing and evaporation. If it is designed and maintained properly, it can be more effective efficient from any type of the irrigation system. In this, it consists of a well, tank, farm, and a pipe. In this, there is a motor in this tank. The motor pumps water through this pipe to the tank. In this tank, there is a pipe connected to across the farm. The pipe has some small holes which drains out water which directly reaches through the roots, minimizing evaporation. It is mostly found in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat, etc. The bamboo drip irrigation system is 200-year-old system in Meghalaya. Thank you.
थैंक यू। नमस्कार। आपको कैसा लगा ये प्रदर्शनी देख करके बच्चों का?
बहुत बढ़िया, बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है, बहुत मेहनत करी है और इन सबको प्रेज करना चाहिए, आगे और भी अच्छे काम होंगे।
बहुत बढ़िया, ये बिल्कुल टैग कृति बनाया है बच्चों ने, जैसे आईटी में होता है और उससे ज्यादा ही कई काउंटर लगे हुए हैं यहाँ बच्चों के।
बच्चे कितने कमिटमेंट के साथ खड़े हुए हैं।
हाँ, अरे बहुत अच्छा। अभी आए क्या?
सारे लड़के थे जिससे क्लास में गए इंपीरियल कॉलेज लंदन की बात कर रहे हैं। तो उनके समय प्रगति के लिए बोलते थे कि लड़के को लॉ किया जाए। उसके बाद मुझे मौका मिला मैं पढ़ूं ये पीएचडी की मैंने करी थी, से काफ़ी लगाई मैंने और उसके बाद मेरा मन भी ऐसा है कि
अरे भाई कहाँ जा रहे हो? अरे भाई कहाँ जा रहे हो?
अरे एमएमबी देख रहा। अरे भाई ये एमएमबी क्या है?
एमएमबी क्या है? तो चलिए देखते हैं, हम सभी लोग देखते हैं ये एमएमबी है क्या चीज। तो बच्चों आज मैं आपको बताता हूँ एमएमबी का मतलब होता है माई मिस्टेक बिलोंग। इस हिंदी में कहते हैं मेरी गलतियों का वीडियो। दोस्तों बने रहिए खेलने से पहले और खेलने के बाद माई मिस्टेक ब्लॉग के साथ। चलिए फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में एमएमबी के साथ और आप और हम। चलिए नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।